I tell you what, this is one of the harder hitting small bus derbies I think I've seen in recent years. These guys mean some business here tonight. I can't believe that 03 is still going. He's been hit every which way but straight. And he's out there giving as good as he's getting. Uh-oh. 20G is stopped. 20G may be going off the clock here. We may have our first casualty. And it's not going to be the 03, which, I don't know, there's really not much left of the 03 to be perfectly honest with you.